What's your I should have trusted my gut and leave story? I worked at a hotel for a year. One day, this room was late for checkout, so I was sent to go knock on the door. I knocked, and a guy responded, "Leave me alone. I'll be out in a little bit." I relayed the message to the girl working the front desk. After 30 minutes, I knock again, but no response. I ask if he's okay. Still no response. He's just in there, groaning. We end up calling the police. They enter the room with a key card. Turns out this guy had been in a car accident on his way to the hotel and had been bleeding internally during his entire stay. He was taken to the hospital where he later died, and we only know that because he left all of his stuff behind, and his family came to pick it up eventually. Upon entering the room to clean it, there was copious amounts of blood, vomit, and shit everywhere. Bloody handprint smears and poop all over the bathroom floors and walls, even in the shower. I told management that I wasn't comfortable with